Hey friends, today we're going to talk about, or we're going to start our new Bible story, which is going to, all week it's going to be about Abraham, Lot, and Isaac. And this is going to be found in Genesis 13, 5 through 17. All right, and so um, the Bible tells us about a man named Abraham. He tells us about a man named Abraham. And so that's the first person we're going to talk about. This is Abraham, and he loved God. Abraham was a very rich man. He had lots of cattle and he had lots of servants. And those servants and those camels and those the cattle that he had, they had a lot of needs. He had to feed them. He had to find grass for them to eat. He had to take care of them. And so Abraham also had a special nephew of his, which was kind of like his only son because Abraham did not have any children of his own. And so his nephew's name was Lot. And so Lot was Abraham's nephew and he lived with him. But the thing about Lot and Abraham was that Lot had a lot of servants and animals too. And after a while of living together for so long, all of Lot's animals started eating grass that Abraham's animals needed, and all of Lot's servants started fussing and fighting with Abraham's servants. And Abraham was so sad. He heard about the fights, and he was so sad. Abraham did not want the servants to fight, and he didn't want to fight with Lot. And so Abraham told Lot that maybe they needed to go their separate ways since their families were so large. And so they looked out over a valley at all the land that God had given them. The land has plenty of room for both of us and our animals. Let's each take our families and belongings and go a different way to keep our servants from fighting. All right, and so we're going to stop right there for today. But I want you to remember that we met Abraham today. That Abraham was a wealthy man. He had lots of cattle and servants, and that he had a nephew named Lot who also had a lot of cattle and servants. And so their servants started fighting, and Abraham was sad. He didn't want that to happen, so he told them that they needed to separate. All right, guys. See you later.